Good day, everyone. So, by the way, my name is Iron Torres, and today I am going to demonstrate and articulate the proper sound of International Phonetic Alphabet English Vowels, or IPA English Vowels. In addition, I will also provide examples for us to easily understand these vowels and their proper sounds. Also, to have a deeper understanding about this. So, let us start. First one, we have here IPA vowel sounds E, E, E. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is tense. The tongue height is high. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is front. The lip shape is unrounded. Here are the examples. He, she, see, keep, feel. Next one. We have here IPA vowel sounds E, E, E. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is lax. The tongue height is high. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is front. The lip shape is unrounded. Here are the examples. Pit, bin, feel, wheel, meal. Next, we have here the IPA vowel sounds A, A, A. The muscular tension of these vowel sounds is tense. The tongue height is mid. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is front. The lip shape is unrounded. And here are the examples. Went, intend, sent, send, ladder. Next, we have here the IPA vowel sounds eh, eh, eh. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is lax. The tongue height is mid. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is front. The lip shape is unrounded. Example for this vowel sound are get, bed, set, sell, fell. Next one, we have here IPA vowel sounds ah, ah, ah. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is lax. The tongue height is low. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is front, and the lip shape is unrounded. Here are the examples. Cat, bad, sand, land, hand. Next, we have here IPA vowel sound The muscular tension of this vowel sound is lax. The tongue height is low. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is central. Lip shape is unrounded. Here are the examples. Calm, palm, father, start, dark. Next, we have here IPA vowel sounds ooh, ooh, ooh. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is tense. Tongue height is high. Tongue advancement back. Lip shape is rounded. Example for this vowel sound is loop, mood, put, fool, wood. Next one, we have here IPA vowel sounds oo, oo. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is lax. The tongue height is high. The tongue advancement of these vowel sounds is back. The lip shape is rounded. And here are the examples. Could, would, boot, who, should. Next, we have here IPA vowel sounds O, O, O. The muscular tension of these vowel sound is tense. The tongue height is mid. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is back. And lip shape is rounded. Examples are boat, low, bowl, soul, mole. And lastly, we have IPA vowel sounds oo, oo, oo. The muscular tension of this vowel sound is lax. The tongue height is mid. The tongue advancement of this vowel sound is back. And lip shape is rounded. And here are the examples. Saw, straw, dawn, fall, wall. And that would be all. Thank you for listening and enjoy learning.